Hello, I'm Tim. I'm the PM for the package stage at GitLab. And today I'd like to review or highlight a few of the issues that we're planning on working on in milestone 13.9. For self-managed instances, that will be available on February 22nd of this year. And for GitLab.com users, as features are merged, they'll be available. So we are planning on working on a lot of things, and you could always check out our milestone planning issues, or you can go and just look through and search for issues with the group package label. But for today, I'd like to just highlight a few different things. The first one is we will be planning on lifting the NPM package naming convention for the project level API. So if you've been using the package registry for publishing NPM packages, you know that we enforce a specific naming convention that's out of step with NPM's public registry. We force you to use scope, where scope matches the root of your namespace exactly. And for many of you out there, the first letter is often a capital, especially if it's your organization name. But npm.js.com doesn't allow capital letters. So this forced you to work around this problem in some tricky ways, or not even use the registry at all. So in 13.9, we're going to be removing this requirement, and hopefully this makes your workflows more efficient and that we play nicer with NPM. The next issue I think is worth highlighting is adding support for V2 of Composer. So I believe it was May of last year, V2 of Composer launched with a bunch of improvements, and along with that, significant performance improvements. So we're excited to launch V2 of Composer for those of you using that out there, and let us know how it works. And then finally, we will be adding a setting, as this is part of a larger epic, to allow you to choose whether you want to allow or prevent duplicate package uploads. The first implementation we'll be focusing on is Maven. And this will live under your group settings under packages and registries. And here you'll be able to choose whether or not you want to allow or prevent duplicate uploads and if there are any exceptions. By default, we'll be following the lead of the public registry. So for Maven, the default behavior is to allow duplicates. So that's what we will allow. However, there's many people in the community that have said they don't want to allow duplicates if it's a release, for example, a release package. So you'll be able to control this at the group level. And like I mentioned, we'll be rolling this out for other formats throughout the year. Okay, well, that's a few of the highlights that we're working on. And again, a lot more going on, but these are some things that I think you all will be excited about. If you have any questions during the milestone, feel free to reach out to me at trizzy@GitLab, and look forward to working with you on this.